Feeling overwhelmed by the time and effort it takes to create compelling ads? It's time to transform your advertising game with the power of AI. Today, I'll guide you on how to effortlessly craft captivating ads using AI technology. Within just a minute, you'll discover how AI can revolutionize your ad creation process for platforms like Facebook and TikTok. But first, let's dive into some fantastic examples of AI-generated content that will blow your mind. Take a moment to check out these stunning visuals and videos, all created by AI.
Bank, the fintech app that makes saving money easy and fun. Ever feel like saving is impossible? With SaveX Bank, it's a breeze. This innovative platform helps you stash away money effortlessly, so you're always prepared for whatever life throws your way. Why SaveX Bank?
I was stuck in a fitness rut until I discovered NetGym, and now I'm hooked. If you're looking for the best place to transform your body and mind, look no further. NetGym is a game changer with its state-of-the-art equipment, expert trainers who provide personalized plans.
Stay with me, and I'll reveal the simplicity of using AI to generate authentic, human-like content for your social media ads. This will not only help you connect more deeply with your audience, but also significantly boost the profitability of your ads. Picture this: more engagement, more conversions, and ultimately, more revenue flowing in effortlessly. Sounds enticing, right? If you're eager to enhance your Facebook and TikTok ads, hit that subscribe button and join me as we delve into the world of AI-powered content creation. Meet Arcads AI, the innovative tool responsible for these impressive examples. You can find the link to Arcads AI in the description below. Now let's take a look at 3 videos created with AI that are almost indistinguishable from real people. Let's play a sample video from this tool.
Have you ever spent hours trying to clean up your phone storage? How many times this message destroyed your mood? I found a hack that makes it easy to clean up your camera roll. I use this app called Swipe Wipe. So here's how it works. It shows you all your pictures sorted by dates or randomly, and all you have to do is swipe right to keep and left to delete. It's that simple. Plus, you get to relive all those fun memories while cleaning up. Download Swipe Wipe now and thank me later.
Ready to level up your photo game? Let this app work its magic and turn your pics into pure perfection. Try Starry AI app yourself.
Toddler parents, this is for you. If your toddler isn't talking, you might be wondering what you should be doing to help them. And I found something that really helped us, and I would like to share with you. Within just the first 7 days of using this app, we noticed a huge improvement. The app is called Speech Blubs. It's a speech learning app that will help your child speak better, sooner, and more confidently. Download Speech Blubs and find out.
Isn't it amazing how lifelike and natural these AI-generated characters are? Ready to get started? Here's what you need to do. Log in to Arcads AI. Once logged in, you'll land on a page displaying a variety of natural-looking actors you can choose from. You have the option to filter your search by categories such as new, HD, male, female, young adult, adult, or senior. Let's select some actors by clicking on HD. Listen to their voices.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
Pretty cool, right? Select more actors and click next. You'll see a text box where you can paste your script. Alternatively, you can click on Browse Template and let Arcads AI generate a script for you. I already have a script created with ChatGPT, so let's copy and paste it here. Click on Generate, wait for a moment, and voila, your video ad is ready. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI-generated content and revolutionize your advertising strategy today. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Imagine being able to create high-quality video ads in less than 2 minutes. With Arcads AI, this dream becomes a reality, saving you both time and money. Say goodbye to expensive influencers, costly video equipment, and the hassle of back-and-forth communication with creators. With Arcads AI, you get professional results at a fraction of the cost. Using Arcads is incredibly simple, as you've just seen. In less than 2 minutes, you can have your video ready to go. The best performance marketing teams are already leveraging Arcads to streamline their ad creation process. What's more, Arcads allows you to bulk create videos, generating dozens of variations quickly, so you can experiment and succeed on a larger scale. One of the standout features of Arcads is its support for 35 languages, including English, German, French, Hindi, Chinese, Spanish, and many more. This means you can create videos that truly resonate with your global audience. With Arcads, you have full control over the final output. Everything sounds engaging and natural straight out of the box, but you can also customize the speed of the speech and the intonation. Choose from a wide array of AI actors, each bringing different backgrounds, emotions, and energies to your videos. And yes, you can use these videos for commercial purposes. Before we go further, let's watch this video made entirely by Arcads. The presenter you're about to see is completely AI.
Let me show you how you can create an AI UGC with Arcads. So here's our dashboard. Start with writing your script. You can write it yourself, transcribe it from existing video, or browse our templates. I have already prepared my script, so I will paste it now.
Hard to believe, right? Let's continue with the video.
The next step is to choose an actor you like. There are 40 plus options available. For example, you can choose me. Oh, I forgot to mention. I am also AI generated. Once you've chosen your actors, it will take up to only 2 minutes for the video to be ready.
So there you have it. With Arcads, you can revolutionize your Facebook and TikTok ad strategy, reaching the audience you deserve with minimal effort. This tool empowers you to create ads that truly stand out, ensuring you get the engagement and results you deserve. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more tips on making money and optimizing your marketing strategies. Dive into the world of AI-powered content creation with Arcads AI and watch your ad performance soar.